Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Christina Sheila Makatugal. I am 34 years of age. I am married. I have two daughters, ages 16 and 11 years old. I am currently living here at Hong Kong. I am undergraduate of nursing. I didn't finish my study because of financial problem. I am a trustworthy, hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I've been a nanny since 2015 to 2020 in the Philippines. And my duties are taking care of newborn baby, house cleaning, cooking, laundry, and ironing clothes. And now, I've been a nanny here at Hong Kong since November 14, 2023 until present. And my duties are taking care of child, taking care of dog, house cleaning, cooking, marketing, ironing clothes, laundry clothes, and car washing. Ma'am, sir, if you choose me as your helper, I will promise I will do all the responsibilities that you want. I will promise I will do the tasks that you want. I will promise I will serve your family as my own. And I will promise that I will finish my contract as long as you need me. Thank you and see you soon.